Hello, my name is Ho Zenan. I'm studying Diploma in Biotechnology at Polytechnic Nilai. I'm making this video to show you all how to perform lab experiments based on apparatus and material that we can find in our home. Also, I make this video because of COVID-19 pandemic and everyone cannot back to the lab. So I hope you all enjoy it. Today, I will demonstrate how to preparing stock solution of culture medium and plant growth regulator. Before that, allow me to explain a little bit about stock solution. Stock solution is a concentrated solution that can be diluted to some lower concentration for actual use. There are some benefits of stock solution. Stock solution can reduce storage space, reduce preparation time, more stability, conserve material, and improve the accuracy. Usually, stock solution is prepared in range 10 times to 1000 times. That's all for the explanation. Let's start the experiment. In this experiment, we will need Scotch bottle, beaker, spatula, magnetic stirrer, gauge cylinder, conical flux, hot plate, chemical balance, aluminum foil, weighing board, distilled water, and chemicals. This is the chemicals we need in this experiment and is measured by the chemical balance. Now I'm going to prepare macronutrient. So first, turn on the chemical balance, then put the weighing board on it. By using spatula, take the chemicals until the amount that we need. Now transfer all the chemicals into a beakers. And using the distilled water to rinse off all the chemical in the weighing board. Then using a spatula to stir the chemicals until it dissolves in the distilled water. After you see the chemicals is fully dissolved in the distilled water, then we transfer it into a conical flux. After that, we move the conical flux into a side. Then we use a graduate cylinder and measure the distilled water until 500 milliliter. Pour the 500 milliliter distilled water into the conical flux. And now shake the conical flux in a circular motion gently to mix the distilled water and the solution, the chemical solution, fully. Now take the Scotch bottle and transfer all the solution into the Scotch bottle gently to prevent spill out. Close up the Scotch bottle and label the Scotch bottle. as macro. Next up is preparation for micronutrient stock and vitamin stock. So the procedure is same as macronutrient, so we just have to repeat the same procedure as macronutrient stock. Now we're going to prepare iron EDTA stock solution. The preparation step of this stock solution is a little bit different than the macronutrient, micronutrient and vitamin stock solution. So first, turn on the hot plate and set the temperature. Then put a beaker on the hot plate and transfer all the chemicals into the beakers. Then using 100 milliliters of distilled water to rinse off all the chemicals on the weighing board into the beakers. And put the magnetic stir it. Continue stir it. By the same time, we have to dissolve the ferrous sulfate heptahydrate by using another beaker and transfer the ferrous sulfate heptahydrate into the beakers. Then using another 100 milliliters distilled water and rinse off all the chemicals on the weighing board into the beakers. Using the spatula and stir the solution until the chemicals is fully dissolved in the distilled water. After that, remove the spatula. Then gently and carefully pour the ferrous sulfate heptahydrate carefully into the sodium EDTA solution. The sodium EDTA is heated by the hot plate is because if not, the sodium EDTA will not fully dissolve in the distilled water and it become a clump. After the sodium EDTA and ferrous sulfate heptahydrate is fully mixed up, and then we use a Scotch bottle to store the iron EDTA solution. Then close it up and label it as iron EDTA. The last stock solution we're going to prepare is plant growth regulator stock solution. This stock solution preparation step also have a little bit different, but I will show you how. So first, take the weighing board with the chemicals that we have measured with the chemical balance with the amount that we needed, and then take 0.1 mole of sodium hydroxide and dissolve the chemicals, and then take 0.1 mole of hydrochloric acid, also dissolve the chemicals. After all the chemical is fully dissolved, we transfer the solution into a beaker by using 100 milliliter of dissolved distilled water to rinse off the solution into the beakers. And then stir the solution. After that, take a Scotch bottle and transfer the solution from the beakers into the Scotch bottle. Then close the Scotch bottle with the lid and label it as PGR, which stands for the plant growth regulator. Lastly, arrange all of the Scotch bottle into a bucket to transfer all of the stock solution to the refrigerator at 4 degrees Celsius. Now, let's chill the stock solution in refrigerator at 4 degrees Celsius. Congratulations, we have done preparing the stock solution, and thanks for watching. Please give this video a like and stay safe.